The world famous chicken 65 together with veggies are tossed together with chow mein noodles to make this delicious chicken 65 chow mein.
Hi everyone, welcome back to Cravings Food Adventures. I'm Karen Ahmed. We're going to be doing Indian fusion today. We're going to be making chicken 65 chow mein. Now, as you know, chicken 65 is one of the most popular recipes on my channel. Today, I'm going to be combining the delicious recipe for chicken 65 with chow mein, and it's going to be absolutely delicious. Before I go any further with this recipe, do make sure you subscribe to my channel and make sure to ring that bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. Now, let's get cooking.
Let's start with the chicken. I have 600 grams of boneless chicken and I've just cut them into thin strips. I'm going to be adding a half teaspoon of turmeric, quarter teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of salt or salt to taste, 2 teaspoons of ginger and garlic paste, 1 egg, and 2 to 3 tablespoons of cornstarch. Mix this well together so the chicken is coated. Next, I'm simply going to fry this up in hot oil, and when it's cooked and golden brown, I'm going to remove it and keep it aside. Heat some oil in a wok and add 2 cups of diced onion and saute this for about 5 to 7 minutes. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of sliced green chilies. To make an authentic chicken 65, you need these delicious and fragrant curry leaves. You can find these in most Indian stores. I'm going to add 1 cup of curry leaves and I'm going to saute it to release its flavor. Add 2 tablespoons of ginger and garlic paste and I'm going to saute this to cook off the raw ginger and garlic flavor. Next, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of salt or salt to taste, and I'm going to add in a half cup of chili paste or Sambal Oelek. Mix this well together. To get a traditional color that the chicken 65 is so well known for, I'm going to be adding a little bit of food coloring. I've added about a quarter teaspoon to a bowl with a little bit of water and I'm going to add it in. Add the cooked chicken in and toss to coat. Typically, when I make chicken 65, I like to cook it a lot longer so the gravy thickens and coats the chicken and it gets quite dry. But today, I need the gravy for my noodles, so I'm going to remove this and keep it aside. In the same wok, I will add a bit more oil and I'm going to saute a quarter cup of spring onions, 1 cup of sliced mushrooms, 1 cup of sliced green pepper, 1 cup of julienne of carrots, and I have 2 cups of cooked green beans here that I just sliced. I'm going to mix this in and saute. I will be using these quick cook chow mein noodles. This is 1 pound, that's 454 grams. I'm going to add salt to boiling water and I'm going to cook this according to the package instructions. Add oil to a hot wok, let it heat and add in the noodles. Next, I'm going to add in the sauteed veg and the chicken 65 and I'm going to toss this well together. I'm going to mix these in batches, and once they're all mixed in and ready to go, I'm going to garnish with half a cup of spring onion leaves. Enjoy!
Thank you so much for joining me on Cravings Food Adventures. I know this recipe is crazy, but it is so delicious that this is going to be your go-to chow mein recipe from now onwards. If you love my video, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment below. Don't forget, subscribe to my channel. I'm really close to 100,000 subscribers. Please help me get there. Also, make sure that you've rung the bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. And be sure to follow me behind the scenes on all of my social channels. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, and TikTok. Until I see you next time, do take care. Happy eating. Bye.